What are the secrets to lead successful cross-functional teams? How do we bring all different departments together under a same goal? Welcome to Business and Management Podcast. Hello my friends, how are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. Today, we are diving into the topic of how to successfully lead cross-functional teams and bringing all different departments together under a common goal. As a project leader, you are tasked to work together with different departments to deliver successful projects. But let's face it, with so many stakeholders involved, conflicts and different opinions are bound to arise. Navigating through these challenges can be frustrating. But fear not, we have some insights to guide you on how to navigate through the project environment. The first key is empathy. It is important to understand what is at stake for each department. It's easy to feel that all other functions are conspiring against you, but that kind of attitude won't get you that far. Recognize that you need their support to succeed. Take the time to understand what does success looks like for each of the department. Its functions may have different perspectives based on the specific role in the project. To start off on the right foot, make sure to involve all departments at the very beginning of your project, not later. Share your vision, goals, and ask for their input. You may not agree on everything, but by including them in the decision-making process, they will feel that they are part of the solution, not the problem. You will transform yourself from a pushy project manager into a project leader, someone who is rallying everyone together to drive the business forward. Remember, success has many contributors, and it is very important to acknowledge everyone's contributions. While the project leader in marketing may be on the spotlight with their flashy advertising campaign, it is important to also acknowledge the contribution from other departments. The factory worker, the lab technician, your legal team, the logistic managers, each of them are playing indispensable role to your brand success, even if they are not usually visible. Don't fall into the trap of thinking that you are just a project leader using resources from different departments. When the project leader is on the spotlight, it is easy to understand why other departments may be feeling that they are being left out. They may feel that their contributions are not equally valued. If these negative feelings are allowed to go unchecked, sooner than later you will have a dysfunctional teams that may impact your results. Every team member is essential, and a weakling may unravel your hard work. Take the time to know these unsung heroes, recognize their contributions, and celebrate success together. By doing so, you will transform yourself from just an ordinary project manager to become a cross-functional project leader. Mistakes happen, and when they do, it is important not to play the blame game. Projects involve multiple stakeholders, and sometimes things go wrong outside of your control. Instead of pointing fingers, focus on finding solutions. Remember the old saying that when you're pointing one finger, there are four fingers pointing at you. Elevate issues to the decision makers. Ask your team how you can help. Treat setbacks as team challenges. Remember, how your team deals with setbacks is the true measure of its strength. As a project leader, you have the power to set the tone and foster a supportive and successful project team. So, let's embrace empathy and make sure to involve all departments from the start. Acknowledge your team's contributions and focus on problem solving rather than blame game. Work with your cross-functional teams together and achieve great success. How about you? How do you lead cross-functional teams? What are the challenges to bring everyone together? Please write in the column sections below. If you feel that this podcast is beneficial, then please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.